The bills kept coming. The pressure kept building. I was somber, losing trades for days. Loss after loss. Mistake after mistake. Every time I opened the chart, my confidence dropped. I felt drained. I felt lost. The bills kept coming. The pressure kept building. Every day, I felt more stress, more worry, more fear. I started thinking about my mom and dad, everything they sacrificed for me, everything they worked for. I didn't want to disappoint them. I wanted to make them proud. My wife noticed something was wrong. She could see it on my face. She didn't say much, but she knew I was struggling. I didn't want to talk to my friends or my family. I felt shame. I felt like I failed, like I let everyone down. I was trading from the beach house, looking out at the beach and the ocean. The sun outside was bright, but inside of me, everything felt dark. No light. Be honest. Do you move your stop loss? One night, my wife said something that changed everything. She said, "We will be okay. Just don't give up." That night, I stopped running from the problem. I stopped blaming the market, and I started looking inside myself. Then I made a firm decision. I accepted my stop loss. I stopped chasing trades. I started respecting risk. And that's when I found the pattern that worked. I waited for that pattern. I focused on probability. That patience brought more winning trades. Winning isn't about being right every time. It's about controlling yourself until the right opportunity appears.